Hello planner friends, and welcome to another YouTube collab loop group. These loops are put together by a content creator by the name of Creatively Lisa Marie. She comes up with the themes, we interpret the themes, and it's a lot of fun. Make sure you check the description below for the next YouTube video. Then you'd think I would be better at this by now, guys. How long have I been doing this? But make sure you check the link in the description below for the next video and enjoy watching. It's always so much fun. I had every intention of possibly cooking for this loop group or baking, one of the two, but then my oven had other ideas. So since my oven is not working currently, I thought what I would do instead was give you a little bit of a flip through of my Happy Planner recipe keeper, and also show you two of my favorite cookbooks that I just love having around. So let's get started. Oh, how many of you have a Happy Planner recipe book? Mine is so OG, I never took the welcome to the Happy Planner thing out. I did make some extra pages in here for when I was a Weight Watcher. So like I would easily be like, okay, these are all 0 point foods, caution and moderation only, especially because on these are the low point foods, because Weight Watchers changes so much, usually yearly. There's some sort of update to it. It was nice to have kind of like a cheat sheet of things that stayed the same. So a lot of times what I'll do in this favorite section is that if I'm using any recipes from this book during the week, I move them up to here so it's easy for me to find. I'm actually thinking about making this for my lunches this week, chicken enchilada soup. I haven't made it in a really long time, and it sounds like a nice change of pace. So I also really like to make the stuffed green pepper soup. Also, this is a Weight Watchers standby right there. The loaded chicken bubble up bake, so good. Sometimes I have to use 2 pages. I write large, so also the taco spaghetti skillet is very, very good. And this is where, like, again, point systems would change so much. It really was hard to keep track of what the points were in here. I've never made this. I wrote it down. Maybe I will in the coming year because I do like salmon, and now my husband likes salmon. He likes peas. He likes feta now. So this might actually be something we can do. I also used to be, there was it called Recipe? I don't know. There was a thing early 2000s where it was free. They would have different recipes every week. And was it free? I don't know. And you would pick like 5 of the recipes and it would populate your grocery list for you. So some of those recipes are in here as well. This is a fan favorite. Everybody likes the lemon chicken and potatoes. It's very good. All right, and then small dishes, red beans and rice. I think that's really all I have in the small dishes. Lots of soups and salads. These were the Weight Watcher cards that they were doing for a while. I would just punch any of the ones that I really liked and threw them in my planner. Made it a whole lot easier. I feel like during this time of year too, I haven't made this one either. I don't know how I feel. I don't even remember where I got this from. I had it from something and I thought, ooh, that'd be a good one. I haven't done this one either because butternut squash is a pain. I don't know if anybody else has like great ideas on how to make butternut squash. My school makes it for Thanksgiving and it's delicious. I like doing anything with baked potatoes, great. This is from, sorry, let me go back to butternut squash. Let me get my rant over with that. They make it and it's delicious. I try to make it and it is the worst experience ever. So if anybody has any tips or tricks with butternut squash, please leave them in the comments below. Right? This one is from South Beach Diet books. If you ever read them or see them, and this is kind of was a mainstay for a really long time in our house, especially when my mom first got diagnosed with heart things. The doctor recommended South Beach Diet stuff, and we did that. I do like these two. Both of these are great lunch options. All of these things, I mean, are pretty easy. I haven't made this for my husband yet. I don't know how he will feel about eggs on a tomato sauce deal. I've made it for myself and it's delicious. Because it's so, like, it serves four, I know I could probably rearrange it, but I don't know. Oh, this one is also a good one. This is from when Weight Watchers did magazines. This is I should make that one again here soon too. Also a very good one. I mean, I would say most of the things in here are good. I ate this so much that I don't make it anymore because I'm sick of it. That does happen sometimes, but it was that was like my go-to lunch for a while. Like when I was home, I wouldn't take it to school. This was a recipe I believe I stole from Coffee Planner Mom, who was a planner and a sticker shop owner for a while, and I PR'd for her. She had this recipe. I changed it because I think she used Swiss. I don't know, but it's so good. I might have to make that for Christmas morning. Savory oats, don't knock it till you try it. I'm just saying, people will look at you like you're nuts, but you're not. It's amazing. You get the fortifyingness of the fiber and the protein, and it's a good time. All right, on to desserts. A lot of these are recipe cards that I received from people that I just kind of pasted in. These pages are from the original recipe journal I had that a friend gave me. So I just kind of glued them to half sheets and stuck them in. Oh, the Great British Baking Show. Let's talk about this recipe. I love making Queen Amant. It takes a while. It is labor intensive. Prep time, all day. Cook time, 30 minutes. Eat time, 5 seconds. Like, I can make a dozen and they are gone in a day. So, yeah, but it's so fun. And I feel so, like, accomplished when I'm done. It's a good one. This is also a South Beach Diet one. I've made it a couple times. It's been a few years. I should probably try it again. Yeah, it's a good one. And then these are cute little cards that I got from my mom. I haven't made these. I should try these at some point. When she was in Weight Losers, which I don't know what that meant, but that was a while ago. These are apple cookies, and then cheese bars are like a family thing. Like, we've always made these cheese bars. I'm sure everybody else has their own cheese bar recipe, but it wasn't Christmas without cheese bars. Like, she'd make a ton of them. Okay, those are only okay. I'm not gonna share those with you. You like that? Those are only okay. I love making homemade pizza dough, so that's my pizza dough recipe. It's good for grilling too. Black bean dip. Haha. This is from Coffee Planner Mom too. And I think that's it for my recipe book. Here are two books that I want to recommend. One in particular, if you just want to be better, this one's more for baking, but it's my favorite Food Network star who's not on Food Network anymore. His name is Elton Brown. This is one of the best baking books ever because you can read it like a book. Like, it reads like a book because he tells you all of the science behind it, and it's my favorite. In fact, I believe I make the biscuits from here. Like, I keep the same recipe. Let me see if I can find but like, I mean, look at it. It reads like a book. It's so good. So everything is done by what kind of mixing method it is, so that you can see and you know how it works and all of that. I love Alton Brown. I was a huge fan. I have made chocolate chip cookie number 10. I'm a huge fan of Good Eats. It was one of my favorite shows. Feasting on Asphalt was another good one. Creaming Method, always a good one. Biscuit Method. Phase 3 biscuit. So many good things. So yes, this is one of my favorite cookbooks. I have a lot of cookbooks. I do like to be in the kitchen. And then this one I got for a very specific recipe. When I was in Disney World the last time, we had in Epcot, in London in Epcot, sticky toffee pudding. And so I said, I'm gonna find the recipe book that has sticky toffee pudding. And I did. I found it. It's in the dessert section. Okay, and I have made it. I've only made it once because, again, it's somewhat labor intensive. But maybe if we get the oven fixed and or a new oven, I will make this one this year. It'd be so good. Oh, so good. It's a good time. All right, friends, so that's it for my take on the whole cooking theme for this loop. Make sure you check the description below for the next person in the loop. I'll throw out my books here one more time. And I hope to catch you all in the next one.